Hello. That, of course, was your January patriotic song of the month. And the name of that song is This Land Is Your Land. Let's start with that one. Ready? This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I was walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. All right. That was January's. February's, of course, was that is You're a Grand Old Flag. Let's try that one, right? You're a grand old flag, you're a high-flying flag, and forever in peace may you wave. You're the emblem of the land I love, the home of the free and the brave. Every heart beats true under red, white, and blue, where there's never a boast or brag. But should old acquaintance be forgot, keep your eye on the grand old flag. And I know it's April, and we will get to April's patriotic song of the month, but I feel that March kind of got shortchanged because of the situation. So if you remember, I'll play a little bit of it. This was the song that we only did very briefly. Oh, but anyway, you get the right idea. But it's My Country, 'Tis of Thee. I'll tell you what, since I feel like we didn't really spend a lot of time with that one, um, let me sing it for you. All right, so let me sing it for you, and then we'll break it down a little bit. So, and will you count how many times you hear the word country as I do this? So the word country. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside let freedom ring. And if you counted correctly, you should have only counted one. This time, count the word land, Land. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside let freedom ring. And if you counted correctly, you should have come up with the answer 3. And if you don't believe me, you can always go back and rewind this. That's the beauty of having me on a recording. You can just replay it. But anyway, let's break it down. I'll say a line, you say a line. My turn first. My country, 'tis of thee. Sweet land of liberty. Of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died. Land of the pilgrim's pride. From every mountainside let freedom ring. Okay, so I'm gonna play. I'll sing it first, and then you just repeat after me. My turn. My country, 'tis of thee. Go ahead. My turn. Sweet land of liberty. Of thee I sing, land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. Good. Let's sing it together this time. Ready? Here it is. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. Of thee I sing, land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. All right, let's try to sing it this time, and we're just going to keep a nice steady beat. I like to use my two fingers just because it doesn't overpower the singing, and you can hear yourself a little bit better. Let's try. Ready? My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. Of thee I sing, land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. Now let's tap the rhythm. And of course, the rhythm follows the melody of the song. So just tap the rhythm with me. Ready? Here we go. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. Of thee I sing, land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. All right, let's try it just with singing one more time. Ready? Here we go. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. Of thee I sing, land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. There you go. And I don't know if you want to pause now or just, I mean, you can always go back and replay. But I would like you to grab a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It's going to be for you only. It's not something you have to turn into me, but I would like you to grab a pen or pencil, something to write with. Grab a piece of paper because I have some questions relating to this song, and we will go over the answers next time. Keep in mind, I think almost all of these questions these topics we've already talked about before. So if you don't remember them, you can find this information easily online. But here's question number one. What is the real name of My Country 'Tis of Thee? I'll give you a hint. It's not My Country 'Tis of Thee. Okay, so it's the official name is something else. And if you don't remember, you can easily figure or find that if you do a little research. Um, the next question: what is or what would be the modern translation for "My Country 'Tis of Thee"? And I think we might have mentioned there's another song that we do, possibly another patriotic song of the month that pretty much says the same thing, but in a way that's much more easy to understand. So once again, that question number two is, what would be the modern translation for "My Country 'Tis of Thee"? Question three: who are the fathers that they're talking about? Are they talking about your father, my father? And once again, the line I'm talking about is land where my fathers died. So, who are the fathers exactly are they talking about? Number four, uh, what year did the Pilgrims land in Massachusetts or in what we're calling the United States of America? Basically, Plymouth, Massachusetts is where they landed. What year did that happen? Okay, and the last question. Uh, from every mountainside. Of course, I'm talking about the very last part of the song. From every mountainside. What would be the mountainsides that they're talking about? And when they say mountainsides, they're pretty much talking about two mountain ranges. There is a mountain range on the East Coast and a mountain range on the West Coast. So, what would be the names of those two mountain ranges. All right. So those are the five questions. We will go over the answers next week, and hopefully, um, I'll be able to get to that the April patriotic song of the month. All right. Uh, Talk to you next week.